times, you can even take 2 weeks for your money to get to the destination. And when it gets there, most of the time, the bank will call and ask you, why is this person sending you money? And it will take more longer time because they want to know why this person sent you money, what for, what business you have with the person. And imagine, guys, you need money immediately to do stuff. You wouldn't be able to do it because the banking system is flawed. You know, everyone has to check this, check that, blah blah blah. It's crazy. Trust me. Studies have shown that stablecoin transaction can slash up to 80% fees. That's why you see the banks are scared because a lot of money is gonna be taken off the table for them. We're talking about trillions of dollars that these banks make from the fees that we pay for our transaction to get to its destination. These guys are being threatened. That's why you see them don't want stablecoins to succeed. They want to kill stablecoin, but it's too late. Imagine Theta alone, which is one of the stablecoin out there, benefited about 4 billion in profit in Q2. This is crazy. Imagine that's happening. A small company like Theta profiting about 4 billion in Q2. Then imagine what banks are making from the large fees that they collect. Theta, the fees you pay for Theta is almost nothing. But look at what they are making from that. And you tell me the banks are not being scared? They are scared because all the money is going back to your pocket, to my pocket. It's our money that they are taking illegally. If they don't embrace this system, it means they don't want us to grow. They want us to be stuck in that poverty. So, just imagine that if you do transactions every now and then, like you do business, you are a business person, you're gonna be paying a lot of fees. That amount of money you used to pay fees can be used to inject back into your business. And these guys are taking it from you. And for local people, they are doing the same. If you have to send money to your loved ones back home, the reason why you see it expensive is because of fees that you have to pay daily for the middlemen that are involved before your money get to its destination. Stable coins are changing the game. They are making things much easier, faster, and accessible for all of us. Now, let's discuss how banks make their money from this system. They take your deposit, your checking and savings, like you have a deposit account, a checking account. I mean, if you live wherever there's a banking system, there's so-called checking account, deposit account, or you can say saving account. They have different names that they describe this account: checking, savings, investment, deposit. I mean, so many names that they have used to describe this account, and all of these accounts are expensive. This is how they make their money. You have to pay them to keep your money for you. At the same time, they use your money, lend it out there, and they give you almost nothing as in return, depending on what account you are holding. So if you're holding deposit account or saving account, then they might say they're gonna give you something in return. But really, is that something based on the profit that they are making from your money? It's nothing. But what if you could hold your dollar digitally and earn a significant amount in return? I mean, interest. This is what they are trying to prevent. They know that you can actually hold your money and earn more interest than what you're receiving from them. If, say, you have to deposit your money to them, and at times, if you want your money back, they don't give you on time. You have to go fill papers, do this stuff. But with stable coins, you just get your money out whenever you want. This is fantastic, right? This is happening, guys. It's happening through DeFi, or you can call it decentralized finance. People are holding stable coins and earning yield. They are making interest from holding their money. This is fantastic, guys. I love this.